Mistake 1. I am interesting. I am interesting in music. Wrong. I am interested in music. Right. Example. This movie is interested. This movie is interesting. I'm interested in this movie. Mistake 2. Bring versus take. Can you bring this book to my home? Wrong. Can you take this book to my home? Right. Example. Please bring your homework to school. Please take this letter to the post office. Mistake 3. Prepositions in, on, at. I will meet you in Monday. Wrong. I will meet you on Monday. Right. Example. My exam is in December. We have class on Friday. The movie starts at 6 p.m. Mistake 4. Adding an S to uncountable nouns. She gave me many informations. Wrong. She gave me a lot of information. Right. Example. He gave me some advices. He gave me some advice. Mistake 5. Saying very, very good instead of a stronger word. The food was very, very good. Wrong. The food was delicious. Right. Examples. Very tired. Exhausted. Very big. Huge or massive. Very good. Excellent or fantastic or delicious.